Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Santa's Workshop. Today's going to be an interesting video. I had a company reach out to me. The name is JomGand, and they have an 8-in-1 jump starter with compressor. Now what interested me about this, they said it would start up to an 8-liter diesel vehicle. And I'm very interested if it will start a diesel with no batteries. So we're going to get to that. First thing I want to do is I want to try out the compressor on one of my parts cars out here. It's got a flat tire. It holds air for a little bit. So what I want to do is I'm going to air it up to I want to put 25 pounds on it just to get it off the ground. And we're going to see if that works. And then we'll go on to, and I got to take you out here and show you this jewel. Yes, it's my 2004 Dodge Cummins. 617,000 miles on that baby. I knew it was going to be parked for a while, and I had brand new batteries in it. So I sold them to my cousin who has the 2005 Dodge Cummins. So I'm sitting here with no batteries in there right now. And I just want to see what it will do with that. So let's get on the compressor, so we'll check it out, and we'll get back. But first, right real quick, we will get this thing unpackaged so you can see what all it comes with. Very nice packaging. I believe this will be the accessories. Now I've got to admit, I have already been in here because I had a jump starting issue, so I wanted to pull it out and see how it works. Well, you're going to see how it works here in just a little bit. But it comes with charging dills, so you can charge it several different ways. 12 volt. Here's your USB, and looks like mini USB. Here's your accessories for the compressor. You got your hose, and you can blow up several different things, basketball needle, whatever you need. And then of course your jumper cables. Nice heavy clamps on that. Really like those. And you got a good sized cable in there as well. So those are pretty heavy duty. And then you've got the dill itself. And here's your instruction manual. And it says it comes with an accessory storage bag, and I have not found one. I wonder if mine just got missed, because it is definitely not here. We'll have to check into that. But let's get back to where we were. Okay. You got your 12 volt adapter, USB-C to USB-C, USB-A to USB-C, nozzle adapters, accessory storage bag, and the manual. The only thing I didn't get was the storage bag. That could have been an oversight. I'm not going to hold them on that. That was the only complaint I've had on this so far. But let's get out here. I'll show you how to turn on the compressor, set the poundage, and we'll see if it airs up a tire. All right, here is my 1983 Z28 Camaro. It is a parts car deluxe. I got this so I could eventually turn Randy's Camaro into a Z28's clone. It'll never be an actual Z28, it'll just be a clone. But, as you notice, all the tires are aired up except one. So, what we're going to do I do not know if this thing will even hold air, but this will be a good way to set up the, see if I can get you in a little bit closer. Set up the compressor, show you how to use it, and we'll be off and running. All right, right here on the end is your line fitting. It's got a nice screw on, so you're not struggling with getting your fingers down in there. Nice and snug. Then it's got the end where it clamps on. Now this is a little bit problematic to get onto the thing, but it is not too awful. So you want to make sure you push it on there as hard as you can. While you're holding it, flip your lever. Now then, turn it on. 0 psi. And let's turn this thing down to 20. And hit pump. Bouncing there between 8 and 9. I don't know if this is going to hold any air or not. Oh, 10. I saw 10. Oh, look at that. That tire is rising. Can you believe that? And it's going pretty quick, too, for such a small compressor. That is just a handy dandy little thing. And what's neat about it is when it hits 20 pounds, it shuts itself off. So you don't have to sit there and wait for it to hit that spot. If you're sitting on the side of the road, you can get back in your car, air conditioning, let that thing fill on up. But I'm going to go ahead and put this on fast forward, and we're going to watch it till it gets almost to 20. Any moment, there it is, 20 psi. It's not holding 20 yet. Let's see what it happens. It's holding at 20. I wonder if that tire is losing so much air, it's just going to sit there and hold it. I turned it down one notch. The tire was losing so much air, it was just going to sit there and hold it at that. And then sit there and hold it, turn it off. So the only accessory you need for the compressor is that hose. Unless, of course, you're blowing up a basketball or something like that. All right, let's go put it to the real test. All right, some of y'all have seen this pickup before, and this is my baby. What kills me about it is I haven't got to drive it in about 2 years, and the reason being is the ejector pump blew a seal, and it doused the pan with diesel. and it was blowing all over the front of the engine. So I just parked it, and then diesel prices went up. So I just haven't brought myself to putting the money out to fix it yet, where I'm going to have to pay that kind of price for diesel prices. But I just want to see if it'll start. I want to see if it'll just crank. It's been so long, and I just really haven't done this truck justice. I got it when it had 178,000 miles on it. It now has 216,000, and I will show you right real quick after we get this thing set up and going. Let that right there. Turn it on. We have 15.2 volts on that jump pack. But I want to come in here and show you that I was not lying. Let me get this thing. The troubles of working with the tripod. See it right there, 614,586. That is the actual mileage on this vehicle. Still has the original transmission, the original turbo. This is the original injector pump. But we're going to see if it's going to come to life. Leave your comments on here right now of what's going to happen. Oh, we lost contact. Now let's turn it, unhook it, and we'll turn it off. Turn it back on. All right, let's see what it does. All right, I'm going to try this again. Can you believe that? Listen to that. Oh my gosh. I don't want to run it too long because I know it's got nothing, pretty much nothing but diesel in the pan. But it fired. Can you believe that? Oh my lands. I cannot believe that. And it did it with only 2 bars. Look at that. Only 2 bars. And it started a diesel pickup. 5.9 liter now, so it's not a big one. But it started it with no batteries. Unbelievable. And I just want to say thank you, JomGand, for sending that to me. That's going to be a good use around the shop. I can send it with my sister when she goes out on the road. She goes up to Oklahoma City a lot. That way, if she ever needs it, she's got it. And, I mean, this is a great thing for a gift. I'll have a picture of it on Amazon here so you know the price. And we're going to have a link down below with the discount code. Guys, if you click off my code, it supports the channel. I really need the support right now. This summer has not been too lucrative because of the heat. But I'd really appreciate it if you would order it through my link. But that's it for this one. Thank you all so much. Thank you, JomGand. And we will see you next time on Santa's Workshop.